get up.
Welcome back to the Sweetfam, guys. If you are new to our channel, welcome to the Sweetfam. Welcome to our channel. If you are returning, welcome back, guys, and thank you for your support. Please feel free to subscribe to our channel, guys, and remember to hit that notification bell so when we post a video you will be the first to be notified, guys. So today I'm just inviting you in my kitchen, guys, as I am making my Easter bun. As well, I'll be cooking some food as well, guys. So I'm just inviting you in my kitchen while I cook and bake. Dry ingredients, and I got my wet ingredients on my stove here, guys. Please, Easter is coming and I've got an easy and very straightforward recipe for my Easter bun, guys. So please check it out and you can make your own Easter bun this year. It's very easy, and trust me, it is very tasty. So I'm going to just put my wet ingredients in my dry ingredients here. So see, I got the flour here and my wet ingredients, guys. So check out my bun video, guys. I've got a Easter bun recipe. Okay, so I'm just adding my thing gradually. I'm just mixing that together. Yes, guys, I hope everyone is okay and keeping well. I really hope everyone is keeping well, and always remember to try keep a positive vibes no matter whatever is going on in your lives, guys. Yeah, guys, so I'm just here putting my mixtures together. Get this off in my oven. Start baking my Easter bun, guys. See, lovely and thick. It smells so delicious. I can imagine when this go in the oven, guys, it's going to smell up the place. The place is gonna smell like one of those HTB or them Captain Bakery. Really nice, guys. So remember to check out my recipe, guys, to make your own Easter bun. So here I've already got my tins. I put some grease paper in it so when it's baked, it's easy to come out. So I'm just going to divide this portion. I did enough to make 2 Easter buns. I'm not going to make a lot of Easter bun this year, guys, because my children don't really like the Easter bun because they don't like the raisins in it as well. So we don't want to put on too much weight, so 2 buns are enough. Trying to get all the excess out, guys. Yeah, that can add up to a slice of bun. Can't waste it. Okay, so there we got our mixture in the tins. So I am just going to add a few raisins on top, guys. Just a little bit, not too much, because then the bun is not gonna be too beautiful when we got too much on top. So we just add in a few, guys. Add in a few, and we're going to be putting them in our oven. See, there you go, guys. So that's one, and then we got the other one. So I am just going to put them in my oven now and put them to bake for about 50 minutes. So guys, our bun is out of the oven now. Yes, guys, all baked and ready. So I'm just gonna glaze it now. Guys, please check out this easy bun recipe I'm going to leave the link down in the description for you to try making your own Easter bun this year, guys. Very easy and simple recipe. So this is my Easter bun for this year, guys. I definitely won't be buying any Easter bun, as I've got this very easy recipe and it's delicious as well. So please use my recipe, guys, and attempt your own Easter bun this year, guys. Please leave a comment, let me know how you got on with your bun, if you tried the recipe. Yes, guys, so this is my family Easter bun this year. All you need to do is get some cheese now. Buy some cheese, guys. Yes, guys, so the Easter buns are finished. They look so nice with the glaze on. Let me just show it to you guys. So as I said, I was only going to make 2 Easter buns, guys. Yeah, see, 2 Easter buns. Yeah, remember to check out the recipe, guys. I am going to put the link in the description below so you can make your own Easter bun, guys. Try this. Stop buying Easter bun because it's so easy and simple and delicious. Yeah, so I am just going to be moving on to my dinner, basically. Thank you, Tally. So I felt for some hard food today. You know, I'm going to be cooking bananas. Going to be cooking some bananas. Here Pan said dumpling. He want dumpling as well. Guys, when I used to live in Jamaica, my dad used to plant all of these stuff. And funny, I never used to like these stuff. I never used to eat these stuff when I could get them for free. And I have to be paying a fortune for them now, guys. Even the plantains my dad used to grow as well. And my favorite as a child was the sweet potatoes, guys. I only bought one today because it is a fortune. It's very expensive. You see how just one potato I had to buy it today because it is very expensive. So yeah, I'll be cooking some hard food today, guys. And my children, they don't like some of my Jamaican food, so me and Pans fell for some ackee. And of course, we have to buy the tin ackee, guys. We can't go get the fresh ackee, so we have to do tin ackee. But I will be preparing some stewed chicken or fried chicken with rice for the children. So let me just knead my flour. So yeah, I'm going to be adding some salt. And then knead my flour. Yeah, guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. This is just a freestyle video, joining me in the kitchen, cooking, doing what I do best these days, guys. There's nothing else to do more than work and home and cook and look after your family. So I'm just here. I would say run a pot. I'm going to run a boat, guys. Yeah, hard food, because I'm not a hard food person. I love rice, so it's a bit different for me today because Pans say he feel like he wants some ackee. He want ackee. He want ackee and food. So yeah, I should enjoy it as well because I don't eat it regular. So some stewed chicken. So you want us to do some stewed chicken? Guys, I've got some bananas here, but don't laugh at me because I cannot peel them properly because I'm gonna put some oil on my hand so that the thing don't block on my hand. I'm going to try peel it how I see my dad peel it. So I can't peel it like this properly. So what I do sometimes is just to peel it right down, guys. But I'm going to try and peel it this way because I can't peel it properly like this at all. Is there any trick way to peel it like this, guys? Because I always have problem to peel it like this, guys. I always have to like keep using the knife to slide, to cut the banana at the side. See, I get stuck right here, so what I always do is just to slide the knife there, and then yeah, it comes off like that. See, so I actually waste some of the bananas, guys. See, I can't peel it properly.
So you never ask me to do it?
Oh Lord, if I ask you to do it, then definitely half of the banana going to waste. Yeah, just gonna make these flour.
But the sweet potato steam when you feed it to man.
Yeah, but at least it won't black up your hand like the bananas.
Oh no, after everything never steam.
Maybe that was the Jamaican one you bought. I never been by that one.
The sweet potato never steam.
It wasn't the right one you bought. Yes guys, so I'm just doing some chicken for the children because as I said before, they don't really like some of the Jamaican food. They don't like ackee, and that's what I'm doing for me and fun. Yes guys, so I don't really like saltfish, so what I did was to fry some chicken breast real dry. You know, remember when we used to fry chicken back and put in the hackett, guys, so that is something similar that we're gonna do. Yes guys, so that's me and Pan's dinner, guys. So we have ackee and fried chicken breast. Get a piece of fried chicken there with dumpling, corn, banana, what's that, plantain, sweet potato and Irish. Proper yard food, guys. Proper grown provision food. Yes guys. Yes guys, so I'm going to tuck in my dinner now. Long day. Thank you for spending the day with me in the kitchen. I am going to, of course, take the first bite, which is my sweet potato. I love sweet potato, guys. And some ackee. Yes guys, this is tasting very nice. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe if you're watching and haven't subscribed. Hit that notification bell so you're notified when we drop a video. Until next time, see you in the next vlog, guys. Take care now. Peace out.